students. Good morning. We are online now. Today we are going to study human growth and development. We are going to study how a human body grow or how you grow up and also how you develop. We're going to study the stages of development from baby or from infancy up to old age. Okay? So I want you to get your book and first open your book on page 7, which we are going to study about the vocabulary that we are going to use. You ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so we are now here on the vocabulary that we are going to study before we proceed to our main topic. So we are going to pronounce and give the meaning of this vocabulary. Number 1, active. You know what is active? Active is physically energetic. You are you likes to run, you're active, and you like to pursue things. You like to do things. So that is active. Okay, later on, you're going to give me um, sentences using the word active. So that's 1, active. Number 2 is healthy food. Now, what is healthy food? Simple. Healthy food are foods that are believed that good for us because it doesn't have chemicals or artificial flavor, and it is believed that it's good for our body. So you need to eat healthy food. Now, can you give me some healthy foods? Yes, those are healthy food, especially fruits, vegetables. They are very healthy to our body. So that's number 2. The next one is intellect. Well, intellect is better. You're good in understanding, right? Probably your mindset is very good. You can answer what teacher asks. You're attentive to the class. You like to learn because you are intellectual. You are smart, right? Do you know here that is smart? Some of you here are smart. I know that. Okay? So that is intellect. Now the next one is, oh, strong. Well, you're strong if you can lift heavy things, right? Anybody here? Anybody here likes Superman? Likes to be Superman? That's great. You're good. Okay. Proceed to the next one. Compare. Well, compare, simple. You define the similarity or the dissimilarity of things. Either tall and this one is small, or big, this one is thin, right? Wide, small. It compares things. So that is compare, comparing, comparison. Okay? Understand? Okay, let's go to the next one. Well, height. You see the picture? It measures from head to foot. by using the measuring scale. So from head to foot, right? That's how you get your height. Later on, I mean, by next meeting, I will ask you about your height and we are going to use it comparing in the criteria what's in the book. Okay? So let's proceed. The next one is relax. Obviously, relax is meditation, right? Or when the teacher says, everybody relax, you close your eyes and meditate and relax yourself. Okay? It's also rest. Your mind, your body can rest. So that's relax. I like relax. I know you like relax too, right? Well, the next one is about thinking skill. Well, this one is a skill that you can solve problems. Some of you ask questions. Some of you makes decisions. So they have thinking skills. They think, right? They make decisions, they think. They ask questions because they think, right? They solve problems because they think. It's a skills. Okay? Understand? Okay. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, students. Here we go again. We are going to study about the stages of the human growth and development. And of course, start from the fetus, which in the tummy of your mom, and if your mom give birth, then you are called infant or infancy. So that is 1 year old and below. If you are 1 year old and below, you are an infant. Do you have a brother or sister at home that is 1 year old below? Well, they are infant. Now, when you grow up, when you are now on 3 years old, you are called what? Correct. You are called toddler. So from infancy, which is 1 year old below, and the year goes up to 3 years old, then you are now a toddlers. Then from 3 years old to 5, what are you? What's the development? You are called a preschool age or a preschooler, right? Probably you are now in Anuban 1 or Anuban 3 or 2, right? That time, you are now in school. You are now making things, messing things, right? So now while you grow older, right, up to 5 to 12 years old, you are now a school age, right? That's what you are now. You are now in the um, primary level. You are now school age. Okay? So as you grow older, as time pass by, you grow to a teenage because at that time your age is already 12 or 13 up to 19 years old, right? So let's start from baby, you grow into a toddler, You grow into a preschooler to primary school boy and a teenager. And that time, teenager, you are now likes to mingle with girls, right? You like to tease girls, you like to talk with girls, you like to talk with your opposite sex. And well, that's great. That's, I like being in the primary school. Now let's proceed. Now, time goes by. Time goes on. You are now the age of 36 up to 55. You are now in you are now adult. You are now adulthood. You are now an adult. Okay? That's the time probably some of you are married already. Right? Have baby. How old is your father? Are they 36? 40? 55? They are adults anymore. They don't they don't play toys anymore. Right? Okay, so from adult, time goes by, time goes on to the next one up to 60 years old and above, old person already. Right? Just like our grandfather and our grandmother. They are now old. Right? Okay, let's go back again. Everybody, infancy, 1 year old, toddlers, 1 to 3 years old, preschool age, 3 to 5 years old, primary school, 5 to 12 years old, teenage, 13 to 19 years old, adulthood, 36 to 55 years old, and old age, which is 65 and above. Okay? So see you next meeting. I will ask you a question about this. And also you can give me the sentence of those vocabulary words that we've been studying from the first slide. See you next time. Bye bye.